Hi everyone! Now today we're going to talk about our nervous system and the stress response connection. So why are we including our nervous system? Because our nervous system is a part of that stress response. Now, as we've mentioned, every time we feel stressed, adrenaline is flooding through our body in waves in order to get us to move away from any potential danger or threat. However, every time a panic or adrenaline wave floods through us, the adrenal hormone actually sensitizes the cells of our nervous system. Now, unfortunately, but that increase in sensitization is also picked up by our reptilian peanut brain and processed as clearly a threat must exist because our nervous system is becoming more sensitized and the stress response keeps going. Now, the gradual sensitizing of the nervous system is cleverly designed to make us more hyper-aware in order to be able to recognize and locate whatever the perceived threat could be before it discovers us and eats us. Remember, it's a 760 million year old process in the making. But at a mental and emotional level, that is highly agitating for any of us. And when you've never been told the reason why, it can even be very frightening. Now, just as the cortisol hormone fades away really slowly, our nervous system desensitizes very slowly as well in order to keep our body alert until time has passed and the threat is clearly not there anymore. Now, depending on the history and your level of being proactive, that could be months or even years. As the potential threat fades away and or by removing as many of the stressful experiences in our life as we can, the adrenal waves begin to decrease in number and therefore our nervous system gradually becomes less sensitized because that is not required anymore as well, and we begin to experience increased feelings of being calm. I'll also put up that list of stresses again for you to consider in the description below. Now consider this, our nervous system is actually an extension of our brain called the spinal cord. Most of us know that. And it is simply a message transporting system made up of special nerve cells called neurons. Just out of the back of our skull, it divides into two. One runs down our backbone, called our skeletal nervous system, skeleton, sending and receiving messages and instructions from our brain to all of our senses on our back, which includes all of the muscles in our back, arms and legs. And it's actually the nerves that instruct our muscles to relax or contract. Now, another one runs down over our chest and stomach called the vagus nervous system and serves the same purpose, which includes all of our body muscles, heart, liver, kidney, organs, and our digestive system, stomach, swallowing, eyes, hearing, breathing, and the movement of the food through our gut, and plenty more. So these nerves are actually joined together as cords of white, gooey, highly efficient message transporting systems. The message consists of electric pulses which shoot along these nerve cords, and get this, at just over 500 kilometers an hour. Inside us, that's virtually instantaneous. And it needs to be instantaneous when there is a potential threat to our existence. So we can instantly avoid that outcome without thinking. Being able to think in the moment is far too slow. For example, our thinking, logical brain operates at 60 millionths of a second, while the stress reaction part operates at 30 millionths of a second. That's twice as fast. The idea of the nervous system is to transport the sensations and experience from the outside world and regulate them with the cells, organs and chemicals inside our body so that our brain gets to visualize a picture of what is actually happening in the moment as it really exists, and then make our physical body react accordingly, like, for example, run for your life or jump or whatever. So that's our nervous system, and next time I'll tell you how it's related to the stress response. Okay, a nice short video, eh? We'll see you later. Bye bye.